Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to import a practitioner from the MediBase list. This function ensures that you always have the most accurate and up-to-date information, exactly as the practitioner provides it. Instead of manually entering details, which can be time-consuming and prone to error, you can easily pull verified data directly from the MediBase database into your system. This means you won't have to worry about outdated or incorrect information, ensuring your records are always accurate and reliable. By using this feature, you'll save valuable time and reduce the chance for mistakes. In this tutorial video, we will start on the configuration segment. For more information on the configuration segment, please refer to the related user manual linked in this video's description. Next, click on the Practitioner Setup tab to open the Practitioner List screen. For more information on the Practitioner Setup screen, please refer to the How to Use the Practitioner Setup user manual linked in this video's description. Now click on Add New to open the Add Edit Practitioner screen. To import a practitioner, click the Import Practitioner button. This will open the MediBase search screen. Here, you'll see a list of practitioners registered in MediBase. If you need more details on how to use the MediBase search screen, please refer to the MediBase List Search user manual linked in this video's description. Scroll through the list or use the search function to find the practitioner you want to import. Click on their name, then hit Select to proceed. Finally, click Save to confirm the import. The practitioner will now appear in your practitioner list, ready to be used. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can ensure your practitioner records remain up to date and accurate. If you have any further questions, feel free to consult the user manual or reach out to our support team.